What's up miners, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to mine Binance BNB with the unminable app and also some miner programs for CPU and GPU which will deliver additional performance. If you are not familiar with Binance BNB, I will leave a link in the description so you can check it out. To give you an idea, you can see in CoinGecko, the coin is at the moment in the ranking number 3 with a price of $559 per coin. The first thing that you need to do is to get a wallet. So you have some options. You can use Guarda, you can use Atomic Wallet, Exodus, or you can use Metamask, connecting the Binance Smart chain to Metamask. After this, you're going to open up your start menu and type Windows Security. We are going to go and place an exclusion on a folder. So go under Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down, Manage Settings, then go to Exclusions, Add or Remove Exclusions, and finally we are going to add an exclusion on a folder. In my case, I created a folder in the desktop called Exclusions. I select that one and I place the exclusion there. This will allow us to download all the files into that folder, and they won't be flagged as malware even though they are not. So we go and we connect to unminable.com/miner and we will download the file on the left, which is the MFI version. Click download and download the file. We're going to save the file inside the folder and we're going to press Ctrl J in Chrome so we can keep the dangerous file, keep anyway, show in folder, and we are going to right click and extract here. So this will give us the file that we need. This is the Unminable Miner app. We will right click it and run as administrator. So once the program loads, we can continue. We can select CPU. If our computer has a graphics card 4 GB or more, we can select a GPU. In this case, I'm going to go with CPU. I'm going to look for BNB in the list. I'm going to enter my address for BNB, and I'm going to use this code E4XD-WMZL. This will allow me to drop the pool fee from 1% to 0.75%. I will click Start. You will give this just a couple of minutes to ramp up. We can click the settings and just make sure that we have intensity as high. We have the name for the worker, the code. You can save and restart. And on the bottom left corner, we are going to see the hash rate. At the moment is 1300, 1200. So I'm going to stop here and I'm going to show you a different way. Okay, so this is the second way of doing it without the app. This is running the programs directly. We can run XMRig to mine with the CPU, and we can run gminer to mine with the GPU. In let's do the first one for CPU. I did two modifications to this program. One is dropping the donation fee to XMRig, so we get an additional 1%. And I created this file that will request all the information, so it's easier. We are going to type the coin that we are interested in, BNB. Hit enter, place your address. We can type our location, a name for the worker. And then after a couple of seconds, we press enter again, and the program starts connecting to the pool and starts mining. I'm going to leave this one running for a while, and then I'm going to go and do the same with gminer for GPU. So right click, start mining, click run as administrator. The program will request all the information it needs. So we type the coin, we type the address, and then we go type the location. So if your card is 4 GB, you type etc hash. If your card is more than 4 GB, you just type et hash. So from here, I'm gonna set the name for the worker, and the program starts. It will connect to the mining pool and will start mining. In my case, I cannot mine with this graphics card because it's just 1 GB, so it's just a quick demonstration. In your case, it will start mining. If we go back to XMRig, we can see that we are connecting to the pool, and if we press the letter H, we can see our hash rate or speed. So this confirms I'm mining at the moment. I'm connecting to the pool. Everything is right. So that's all there is to it. If you are getting some issues, problems, or you want any advice on the setup and optimizations, contact me via Telegram. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.